Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today in this video we will discuss about the basic concept of input tax credit and output tax credit in GST. We will discuss the basic concept of input tax credit and output tax credit in GST. These two concepts are very important in GST, and especially in order to understand the composition scheme of GST returns, or if we want to take the benefit of input tax credit, then we need to understand these concepts very carefully. So let's start. Input tax, you know that it is one of the tax benefit that we get under GST. This is one of the tax benefit that we get under GST. In simple words, we can say that input tax is the tax paid on purchases, whereas output tax is the tax that we charge on sales. These two definitions are very important that we need to remember here, that input tax is the tax that we paid on purchases. It means when we purchase something, we pay input tax. In the same way, our output tax is the tax that charge on sales. It means when we sell something, we charge output tax. So let's take one example over here. Suppose you are a normal taxpayer or you are a dealer and you have purchased your goods from the supplier for further sale. For further sale, we have purchased some goods from the supplier. Suppose you have purchased the goods for rupees 10,000 and supplier has levied tax at 5%, that is rupees 500. It means on this purchase we have paid 500 tax. Thus in this case the total cost of goods purchased should be 10,500, right? The total cost of purchase should be 10,500. It should be rupees 10,500, but you don't have to add this 500 in the purchase price, because in GST we do not put tax on tax. इन जीएसटी में हम क्या करते हैं, हम टैक्स पे टैक्स लिवाए नहीं करते हैं. दस द टोटल इन्वेस्टमेंट हियर विल कंसीडर ओनली रुपीज 10,000 एंड द 500 रुपीज विल कंसीडर एज द इनपुट टैक्स. सो दिस इज द इनपुट टैक्स दैट यू कैन रिकवर इन द लेटर एट द टाइम ऑफ फाइलिंग जीएसटी रिटर्न्स. Now, on this procuring price, that is rupees 10,000, whatever is the price margin you want to put, you may put. Whatever is the profit margin you want to put, you may put. Suppose for example, now I am taking 10% profit margin here. I am charging 10% profit margin here. So now profit is rupees 1,000, right? Profit will be rupees 1,000. Thus the cost price plus 10% profit is equal to sales price. So sales price will be here rupees 11,000. It means the sales price, for customer the price of goods will be rupees 11,000. Now your customer will purchase this goods from you at rupees 11,000. Now you will levy tax on this price, on this sales price. On this sales price we will charge tax from the customer. Suppose for example I am charging 5% tax, that is rupees 550, and this 550 will be our output tax. This 550, because I am charging 5% tax on sales price, so this 550 will be our output tax. Thus in this way the input tax that you have paid was rupees 500 and the output tax that we have received was rupees 550. The output tax is rupees 550. Now if we deduct input tax from the output tax, there is 50 rupees extra, and this extra 50 rupees we will have to pay to the government in form of tax. So friends, here your total cost was rupees 10,000, the purchasing cost was rupees 10,000, on which you paid tax at 5%, that was rupees 500. Thus this tax was paid in form of input tax or advance tax, and after that we sold this goods at the cost price plus profit plus tax, means the total price was rupees 11,550, on which we sold the goods, in which we receive rupees 550 in form of output tax. And here since we have already paid rupees 500 advance in form of input tax, so only remaining amount, that is rupees 50, we will have to pay extra tax, we will have to pay tax to the government. Okay, I hope the concept, the basic concept of input tax credit and output tax credit is clear to all of you. And here I am completing this video. So friends, here we have completed the meaning of input tax credit and output tax credit under GST. And I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe it also. Thank you.